Alright, this stack train that was stopped is just leaving now. And here it's passing the CN stack train that has just stopped. And it's in the snow in Dorval. And on the CP train, there is a Union Pacific DPU. And we're going to watch it pass the CN unit. The CN train is not going anywhere towards us, it's going away from us. So it's already passed. It stopped here so it can get clearance to go into the yard at Taschereau. This CP train similarly needed clearance to go into St. Luc, so it had to stop. So you're going to get the last of the stack train. It's snowing quite hard again. Temperature's not too bad though. It's only -2. So there's a significant number of stacks still yet to come. This train goes all the way back there. And it's going to slowly move through. It's not going to go fast, it's entering the yard. Oh, and we have another... Oh, I thought it was another train. It's just a light that came on since it's close to dusk. Oh, it looks like it is a train, actually. Anyways, what we have here is possibly 3 trains. This one's... yeah, it might be the CP train coming into Dorval ramps. It's usually one around 4:30, so that might be it. So this is very cool. No telling how long the CN train will sit there. Yeah, and here comes the CP train heading west. And it's passing this eastbound that's going into the yard. So this is truly a find. I don't think I've seen so many trains at once at this place. He's going to be waiting for clearance. while this very slow double stack is going to be going. And you still have that CN one sitting there. And that CN one's not coming this way. It's headed east. That's the DPU. So this is the end of the double stack here, but it's still got a ways to go, it looks like. Oh, there it is. There's the DPU on the other end there, pushing it through the ramps. So this is a particularly long CP train, so I guess that's why you have this DPU at the end as well. So this is an ES44 at the end as well. See if there's any snow cake to the end of it. Doesn't look like it. It looks like he's getting in. He's getting on his unit. So this may actually leave now. That's the end of that double stack train. It's headed off into the yard. CN double stack is still waiting there. Okay, and I'll end this video and take it up again once this train starts to move. So if you enjoyed what you watched, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.